thought we could jumpstart today talking about discovery. There is something innately exciting about discovering something new. And what about when you discover that something exists or can be created that you didn't think was ever possible? Simply put, discovery sparks our imaginations and, in a sense, gives us permission to use that imagination to soar to new heights, to dream bigger. But I want to take this concept and put it in a more personal realm by posing a question for you. What is still yet to be discovered within you? Have you ever thought about that? When I ask that question of myself, I'm filled with a delighted hope and a sense of wonder. Could I have something inside me that God hasn't tapped into yet? You know what that means, don't you? It means we still got potential. And I like having potential. I like the thought that at any moment, God can open the curtains and reveal something new He's had waiting inside me for such a time as this. So today, let's ask Him, what is still yet to be discovered in you? He already knows, so get excited, because with Him, you can achieve the unthinkable. Hope you're choosing to make it a good day, and I'll see you next time.